What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So you got a lot of people that talk about my phone is the best phone on the planet. They pull out phones and they say, my phone here and my phone this and my phone that, right? Say that these phones is way better than your phone. And you pull out your Galaxy Note 9 or your Galaxy Note 8 and you do one thing and you shut it down. You do one thing and you shut it down. Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make sounds when you pull out your SPen out your Galaxy Note 8 or your Galaxy Note 9. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and shut it down. Let's go. What's up guys, this is Eric back with another video. So you got a Galaxy Note 8 or Galaxy Note 9 and you pull out your SPen, right? And you want to shut it down. I mean really shut it down. When you pull out that SPen, you shut it down and make all of other non-believers believe that you got the best phone on the planet. When you pull out that SPen, right? When you pull that pen out, boom. Say, who's your daddy? Let me go ahead on to show you guys how I put this on my Galaxy Note 9. So it's two apps you got to download. One app is called SPen Toolbox. SPen Toolbox and Zedge. That's two downloadable apps that you have to download to make this happen. So when you open up SPen Toolbox, all right, this is what you're going to see. You can download the Pro version, but you don't have to download the Pro version. Right? And I want you to take a look at my settings right here. Has a lot of stuff that you can do, but our main focus is on the SPen. So the first thing you want to do when you download both apps, you want to go to what's called Play Sound, Notification, right here, Media File. So at this point, you have to add the media file to your device, which I download Zedge. All right, I got Zedge already downloaded and you want to put it there. Boom, you want to give it access. All right, give it access. We made improvements and yada, yada, yada. So you want to continue right there. All right, so here it is. It opened up the other app inside of this app. So basically, we right here, ringtones. Real easy. Now you got all kinds of other features and you have other features that you can mess around with. You don't even have to log in. You don't have to take the premium. You don't have to do any of that. You don't have to go to settings or nothing. All you have to do is, like for me, I have what's called the lightsaber. So you just search right here. Just search for anything you want. And I'm going to click on lightsaber and right here, ringtones. Boom, ringtones. There it is. And different kind of ringtones. Boom. So pick the ringtone you want. You don't have to do lightsaber. Just pick the ringtone you want. And boom, there it is. It's just that simple. All right, so once you pick the sound that you want, right here at the bottom, you want to hit set. And you can set it as ringtone, you can set it as contact ringtone, set it as notification, and so forth and so on. So we're going to set this as ringtone. All right. Boom. You got to give it permission. You got to give it permission. Boom. So there it is. So when you download the Lightsaber app or whatever sound ringtone app that you wanted to download, you go back to Play Sound and you go to Notification. Boom. There it is. Notifications, good to go. Right there. So it's already ready to go here on my device. So as you can look at my settings, I do not have the Pro version, right? And you can execute action. Here, you can use it as a shortcut. You can do it in the application or you can do it as none. All right. And look at my settings. Real easy. Everything else is cut off. One last thing I want to show you guys before I leave is that when you open up settings here and you go to your SPen, it's no changes that you have to make here. The only thing you got to do when you go to your SPen settings really quick, is make sure that your sound is on removal of the SPen. All right, so right there, feedback, play sound when you insert or remove the SPen to right on the screen. And that's all you have to do for this to work. And let me show you again, real fast. Pull the pin out, boom, and there it is. So you can have different kind of ringtones, different kind of notifications by using both of these apps in conjunction with each other. So basically, that's how you do this. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the SPen, Galaxy Note 8, Galaxy Note 9. When you pull the SPen out, and they talk about they got the best phones on the planet, you just say, who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Right here. See you guys on the next video. Peace.